Hi guys, I'm here with Lori, who's a makeup artist and does hair. Lori, what do you do in a nutshell?
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm all about just making someone's natural beauty shine.
Which is simple, it's easy to understand.
Yeah, enhancing the client's natural beauty.
So tonight, she's gonna enhance my beauty for the Golden Globes. So we're gonna take you step by step. She'll tell you what she's using on my face and we'll put it in the description below. So be sure to stay tuned as we get started. All right, step one, what are you using?
So I'm gonna go for a really fresh, pinky, shimmery, bright eye.
Okay.
To bring out the kind of the pinky tones in your dress. So a palette from Sicily, it's kind of bronzy and pinky, shimmery shell sort of colors. We're going to start with that. So I've got Chhaya's shimmery pink bronzy base. I'm adding in a tight line of black eyeliner. And I'm going with a NARS gel eyeliner that I use with the brush. For me, it's a little bit easier than liquid eyeliner.
And it goes on just fine and it feels great too when it's going on.
So that gives some nice definition to her top lash line. So I've done the eyeliner on Chhaya and I'm gonna pop in a mascara and give her a lot of volume. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, super popular. Volumizing and lengthening. And I like to work quite a bit of mascara on the lashes. From the base all the way to the end. I kind of go in a wiggle back and forth motion. And that adds a nice volume to the lashes. I'll also be adding a few individual false lashes after the mascara has dried. So we've got her Chhaya's mascara on. We're gonna do lashes at the very end. But I basically just prepped her skin. I did the Skin Iceland Pore Minimizing Primer. Super silky, soft base for the foundation. I also did a little bit of eye cream to hydrate, the Caudalie Vino Active. And then I also, on her left eye here, I just popped in the Armani Corrector. This thing is amazing. The orange really balances out any darkness. So I'll put the corrector first before I do the concealer. And then for her base, I'm gonna do the Luminous Silk Armani No. 7. It'll be perfect for her.
So brown skin girls, this is what works for us, which is very exciting to have someone who knows what they're doing for our skin. So stay tuned and we'll see a little bit more in a second.
So I just finished Chhaya's foundation. The Armani looks gorgeous, flawless. We did the corrector under her eye and then I went ahead and added a concealer on top. I did the NARS Custard medium 1. It was a perfect shade for her. And so we were talking about what we could do could be kind of fun, add a little spice for the after party, and we decided we're gonna do kind of an emerald green turquoise liner in her inner rim to add a little pop to her eyes and kind of give some funkiness to the makeup.
It'll be fun. Can't wait to see what it looks like.
So here you see the really gorgeous pop of color, pop of blue turquoise under her eyes, adds a really cool flare, modern. And I'm deciding to go with bronzer on her to give more of that sun-kissed look. So I'm going with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. And I'm gonna use this almost like I would a blush. So I'm applying it from the cheeks up into the hairline. And you can just kind of go back and forth with your brush, sort of on top of the cheekbone. This is gonna give some beautiful definition and carve out her cheekbone and give her that sun-kissed look. Feel free to also pop a little bit on the forehead, dust it on the bridge of the nose, underneath the jawline, just to give some contour effect. And voila!
Done.
So now we're going to apply a few individual lashes to Chhaya's eyes, and I want to show you guys how I recommend applying lashes.
Yeah.
So I've got my Duo eyelash glue. I use the dark brown. It'll dry really nicely into the lash line and you won't see it. I like to apply a little bit here on the lash palette and give it a few seconds so it kind of starts to thicken up a bit. Kind of will blow on it, kind of help that speed up that process. Then I'm going to take some tweezers and I'm going to grasp the lash. I'll dip it into the glue once it's a little bit tacky. That way it'll stick much better this way. Dip it into the glue. Then you're going to just place it, starting on the outer edge, we're going to create some flare to her eyelashes. So when you have your tweezer, you can just deposit it right down, right on top of the lashes, right at the base of the lash. And then I'll just probably add maybe about four or five on each side, just to add a little bit of thickness and flare at the edges.
These are super cute too. And where do people get these?
These are the Ardell. These are tried and true CVS, Rite Aid, basic drugstore. Ardell is the brand.
Perfect.
Love these. So finishing off, last little steps here, I'm gonna go with a YSL stain for her lips and kind of a coral color that's kind of soft as we played up the eyes more. So I did kind of a neutral lip liner, and then I'm popping on this coral stain on top. And it'll just be longer wearing for her when she's eating and drinking at the party. You'll have that staying power. And it's a little bit brighter than her natural lip tone. It's a really pretty color. Has a little bit of shine as well. Also, to finish it off, I love this highlighter Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. You twist it and you want to just pop it on the high points of the face. So right here on the orbital bone and cheekbone. And you can take your foundation brush and you can blend it in. So we just want to strategically place the highlighter on the high points of her face. You can do a bit on the bridge of the nose, but I don't want to create too much shine, just on specific areas. And there we go.
Done.
Looks gorgeous, ready for her party.
All her, you guys, all her. I will tag her social so you can find Lori's Instagram and follow her, make sure, and we'll show you everything we use in one shot just coming up soon. Thank you guys and I will show you what I look like all dressed up soon enough.
Thank you.